intro again. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know, it's your girl MelicaSkylife in the building. Yo! I want to do them. Yo, and in today's video, we'll be doing the YouTube tag. I have been on YouTube a little while now, but I never do it tag yet. So, I'm going to do it now. I have an interviewer. You don't know, the big bad MelicaSkylife in the building. Yo, I want to do them. So, we're going to be going into the questions now. Kick it. You ready?
So the first question is, what is your name and the name of your channel?
Okay, my name is Melica Allen and my channel's name is MelicaSkylife TV.
What does the name of the channel mean?
Well, Melica, as you all know, my name. Skylife, it means moving upward, motivating, success. You know, Skylife really represents everything that is good. So, Melica Skylife, Melica motivating, success, for everything. You know, everything was good. So, yeah, that's what I mean.
Where are you from?
I am from Montego Bay, Jamaica.
Why did you start your YouTube channel?
Okay, I started my YouTube channel for a few reasons, right? I think I'm just going to talk about two. The first reason is maybe I'm going to say but I'm a very shy person. And I wanted to start my YouTube channel to see if I can develop my interacting skills with other people. And I know that I have grown in that area so much. And the next thing why I created my YouTube channel is I have a lot of knowledge that I wanted to share in terms of business and YouTube and social media and growth. And I wanted to use this as a platform to show other people that, like me, I'm a regular girl too, but I know all of these things and I'm going to use this platform to share it with you. With that said, go ahead and check out my main channel, which I teach stuff on that I know. It's Melica Allen. The link will be in the description, so you can head over there. Maybe you can learn a thing or two from me. A thing or two from me about growing your business online.
Or what is your channel about?
Well, my channel is about me, my family, talking about success, really sharing great experiences that has changed the direction of my life, and also motivating young people to go and, you know, crush it in the streets, motivating people to do what they want to do as individuals, to believe in themselves, to know that there's always a shining light at the end of every dark tunnel. I want to represent that beam of light for someone on my channel. So that's why.
Who is your target audience?
My stop! My target audience is really wide because it stretches right across the board. What in terms of what I want to do, I just aim to impact as many lives as possible. So I don't have a specific target audience, but it's stretched right across the board.
Who inspired you to start your channel?
Well, really and truly, I inspired myself to start my channel. It took me a very long time to start because I was doubtful, I was fearful what people would think. I was worried that I wouldn't get support and all of that. But I built up the courage to start, and I'm going to just do it. I know me, I crush it on a bag of things. So what do them? Yeah.
If you could collab with anyone right now, who would it be?
Alright, my collab right now, this YouTuber, he's a small YouTuber, and he is from Montego Bay, and his name is Kevin Carter. This guy, I don't know, I'm always watching video them. When you can go check out his video them, it's Kevin Carter. I'm gonna leave his channel name in the description so you can head over there. Tell him to MelicaSkylife send no. I never met him before in person, but how he creates his videos, it's so creative. You know, he just captivate me. I know say I'm gonna do big things. I know say I'm gonna go far, and I really would like to collab with him because I see what he has in him. I see the potential from early, and he would be the person that I would like to collab with.
3 reasons anyone should subscribe to your channel.
3 reasons why you should subscribe. I don't know because I'm here. Sorry. Because you don't know, I'm your girl MelicaSkylife, and I'm here to make a difference in your life with sharing my knowledge. That's 1. 2, you don't know, say me the big bad YouTuber around town. Number 1, Skylife in the building. And 3, I'm here to connect with you guys on different levels to, you know, meet new people, share new experiences, and, you know, just interact. So that's why you should subscribe.
What is your favorite thing about the YouTube community?
Alright, my favorite thing about the YouTube community is that YouTube is a platform that you can learn anything you want to know. So by the click of a few buttons, you can just learn something new. You don't have to go to school or anything like that. You just, I want to know this, type it into YouTube. That's what I do, and that's why I developed the love for YouTube.
Which channel already on YouTube will yours most likely be?
Which channel on YouTube my channel would represent?
Which channel already on YouTube will yours most likely be likely?
I don't understand the question. Ask me again, please.
I'm reading the thing that's here.
What do you think you say?
Which channel on YouTube is most like yours?
Okay. Well, my channel is very unique because if you view my content, I share a lot of different stuff. One day I share vlogs, one day I share fitness, one day I just about motivating and reasoning. So my channel really stands out, and that's why I relate with people so much on YouTube, because I am different from what is out there. So I'm not represent nobody but myself, MelicaSkylife TV. Yo, how are the dead?
Give a list of your 5 favorite things about the YouTube community.
A list of the 5 favorite things about the YouTube community. Okay, well, with YouTube, you get to connect with people across the world. Just by uploading your content, you can impact somebody's life. And that's one of the things that really warm up my heart. I'm upload on my video, I'm impact somebody. The second thing that I like about YouTube, YouTube is a platform that you can create income from. A lot of people don't know this, but you can create income from YouTube. Just once you just got to get started, and then, you know, you figure out everything else. 3, YouTube gives you a lot of knowledge. 4, you can learn a lot of things on YouTube. And 5, you can really express yourself, your own individuality, show your characteristics, show your style, show, you know, who you are as a person. So that's what I like about YouTube.
What do you think you could bring to the YouTube community that isn't already there?
Well, since I've started, what I brought to the YouTube community, YouTube community is really my own personal outlook on life and how I view situations and problems and stuff like that. So me just bring my own personality and my own style and what me think is right. You know, so that's what I bring to the table.
3 things we should know about you.
3 things that you should know about MelicaSkylife. You don't know. I'm a Christian, baby. Yeah, I'm a Christian for one. A lot of people, you know, people love judge people. But yeah, I'm a Christian. You don't know, I'm not perfect. I'm striving to be the best version of myself on this platform. Try to impact people. The second thing that you should know about Melica is I love to laugh. Like, guys, like, if you don't see me and me not laugh, something wrong. I don't even ask what I want to do, because every day, all day, I'll be laughing, I'll be smiling. That's me. And the third thing that you should know about me is I'm always late. So if you're around me, you're gonna have a good time. I love to give jokes, because from your laugh, I want to see you laugh too. So that's 3 things that you should know about me. Ah, bug attack! Sorry, I'm calm now.
What do you think the hardest thing will be about becoming a YouTuber?
Well, the hardest thing for me in becoming a YouTuber, which I've experienced when I just got started with YouTube, is getting a thumbs down. Why the bug your ass at me? When we did just get started, getting a thumbs down wouldn't like crush me all. Let me say, what on God's word we couldn't do wrong to get a thumbs down? But when we look on other YouTube videos and other YouTube channels, me I say, some people don't deserve a thumbs down. And that shows rejection, and nobody don't like rejection. But thank God me grow tough, and Missy say once you're growing, you're gonna get more rejection, and that's really a good thing. So that's one thing I feared about YouTube.
What do you think the most rewarding thing will be or is?
Alright, the most rewarding thing for me on YouTube is actually like sharing something that I know and somebody actually use it and it worked for them. You know, sharing an experience, sharing a tip in doing something, and somebody type back and say, oh Melica, this worked so well. Oh Melica, you inspired me. Like I melt for those things. And I want to thank you guys for continuing to support me and leaving your comments and subscribing and showing the love. I really, really appreciate it.
Do you see yourself being on YouTube for a long time?
Well, I believe that YouTube is a platform that you can express yourself, and being on here for a long time is not a bad thing. It shows that you would be consistent. It shows me that I'm consistent, I'm persistent, and I really have a goal that I want to accomplish at the end of the day in terms of YouTube, and I don't think I'm going to give up on that. I'm not quit, but quit I go. Please tell me, we're quit going. Sorry, I crack myself up all the time.
Do you have any tips or advice for other people who are just starting on YouTube?
Alright, my tip to a new YouTuber is number one, believe in yourself, because this, may I tell you, I'm going to share the moment here with you. When I just got started with YouTube, somebody very, very close to me, I thought they would be one of my biggest supporters. I had 19 subscribers on my channel, and the person was like, oh, you just have 19 subscribers. Like, that crushed me so much, because I wanted their support so bad, and I decided that me do my thing, and their vision of what I'm doing will not affect what I'm gonna do. And now me have over 1,000 subscribers on my channels combined. So I am so happy and so proud that I didn't give up and that I'm working hard. And you know, that I've learned that people like them there, you cut out to your circle, because they're only gonna hold you back. You know, so that's my biggest advice. Believe in yourself, no matter what nobody wants to say. Or when you feel, if you get 50 thumbs down, if you not get no views, do your thing, because you know what you want to achieve and want to accomplish. So I pray, I don't know.
That's the end of the question.
So guys, that's the end of the YouTube tag. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and definitely show the love. Leave a comment below. I really want to hear from you. Bye.